Most amazing top 10 facts about space. What's up, guys? We are back again with another video. Today we are going to be talking about the top 10 facts about space. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, you are missing out. For most of us, the universe has always been a curious place. We all get fascinated by the elements of our universe and have always asked questions about different mysteries of it. The universe is a name that we use to describe the combination of all things that exist in space. It consists of trillions of stars, galaxies, black holes, enormous clouds of gas, and many other fascinating things. Therefore, we have put together some of the most interesting facts about the universe which you sure want to know about. Number 10. The first ever black hole photographed is 3 million times the size of Earth. The very first black hole photo was released in April 2019 and shows a halo of dust and gas. It is stated to be 310 million trillion miles away from Earth. The picture was captured by the Event Horizon Telescope, a network of 8 linked telescopes, and it was also captured due to the algorithm of programmer Katie Bowman. Number 9. Jupiter's red spot is shrinking. The Great Red Spot or Jupiter Red Spot is a storm in Jupiter's southern hemisphere, with crimson-colored clouds that spin counterclockwise at wind speeds, that exceed those in any storm on Earth. Jupiter's red spot has been shrinking over the last few decades. Nevertheless, according to the reports, now only one Earth can get in it. Number 8. The Moon is drifting away from Earth. Each and every year the Moon is drifting away from the Earth by 3.8 centimeters. Scientists have the belief that eventually, the Moon will move out of the field of Earth's gravity. This won't, however, happen for the next billions of years to come. Number 7. Pluto is smaller than the United States. The planet Pluto is smaller than the US. If you go around the equator of Pluto, it would be the same distance as leaving from London to Denver. Number 6. There is floating water in space. Oh yes, did you know there is floating water in space? Astronomers have reported that there is a massive water vapor cloud that holds 140 trillion times the mass of water in the Earth's oceans, somewhere around 10 billion light-years away. This fact has also been recorded as the largest discovery of water ever found. Number 5. The NASA spacesuit cost $12 million. The NASA spacesuit costs around $12 million. Nevertheless, 70% of the total cost is for the backpack and control module. Spacesuits are often worn inside spacecraft as a means of safety precaution in case of loss of cabin pressure. They are also necessary for extravehicular activities, that is, work done outside spacecraft. Spacesuits have been worn for such purposes in Earth orbit, on the surface of the Moon, and en route back to Earth from the Moon. Number 4. The footprints on the Moon will stay there for the next 100 million years. Considering the fact that the Moon has no atmosphere, it has no wind to erode the surface and no water to wash away the footprint on the Moon will remain unerased. This also implies that the footprints of the Apollo astronauts, along with the space prints, rover prints, will be there even for millions of years and won't suffer from any erosion. Number 3. As early as 240 BC the Chinese began to document the appearance of Halley's Comet. After 164 BC there was an unending recording of the comet each time it was visible. The next Halley's Comet is presumed to be seen from Earth in the year 2061. Number 2. Nobody knows how many stars are there in space. It is not possible to predict just how many stars are there in our universe. Right now, as per scientists and astronomers' standpoint, there is an estimate of 200 to 400 billion stars in the Milky Way itself. With this data, there are billions of galaxies in the universe. The total amount of stars present in space, therefore, remain unknown. Number 1. Space is completely silent. Ever thought of this? Yes, there is no atmosphere in space, which means that sound does not have a medium or way to travel to be heard. Astronauts use radios to stay in communication while in space, since radio waves can still be sent and received. As for other forms of sound, it cannot be communicated due to the lack of an atmosphere. Okay guys, that's what we had for you on the top 10 most amazing facts about space. Which of them fascinated you the most? Tell us in the comment section below. And show us some love by liking, subscribing and sharing. Until next time, take care.